2 years ago, my father passed away from cancer. He died of cancer 2 years ago, and after he died, my mother said, should we tell the dog? So my mother leaned down to my dad's dog and said, look, I just want to let you know that Danny passed away 2 nights ago. After hearing that news, my dad's dog of 15 years climbed up into my father's favorite chair and passed away. Not one of you gave a about my dad. Not one of you gave a about the man that raised me. But the second I mentioned a dog died, that I made up,